How to use AT&T group messaging feature. To use the AT&T group messaging feature, you do not need to have any special plan or separate application. You can send group messages directly through your smartphone's built-in messages application. So, to enable the group messaging, first of all, launch your device's message application on your device, then tap on this new chat option, which is a chat bubble on the bottom right corner, or simply tap on that three-dotted menu icon on the top right corner of your screen. From there, you should be able to access the group messaging option, or if you are on Google Messages, just like me, you simply have to tap on this create group option. Then proceed to create group by simply adding the members, then tap next. From here, all you have to do is now select your particular SIM to create the group itself. From there, you can proceed to send the messages and also receive. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.